The National Electrical Code, often referred to as NEC, provides standards for electrical wiring and equipment installation. A crucial aspect addressed by the NEC relates to the required distance between electrical equipment and power panels or other high-voltage installations. Section 400.8 of the NEC is critical, specifying that electrical equipment must maintain a separation of at least 3 feet, which is approximately 914 mm, from power panels and other high-voltage equipment. This regulation aims to minimize electrical interference and reduce potential hazards. Understanding this requirement is important for electrical installations in various settings, including machine rooms and audio-visual facilities. This regulation means that racks containing equipment such as machine room components, audio and video patch panels, and recording decks should be located at a minimum distance of 3 feet away from the power panel. Failure to adhere to this regulation can lead to complications during electrical inspections and can necessitate costly rework. When an electrical inspector discovers that equipment racks are not in compliance with the NEC separation requirement, they might demand the rewiring of the racks to a new location that satisfies the minimum distance. This can result in unexpected expenses and cause delays in project completion. To ensure compliance and avoid potential issues, firstly, you should review the specific codes and regulations applicable to the specific location to confirm the exact separation requirements. Local amendments or interpretations may exist, so it is important to verify the requirements that apply to a project. Secondly, consulting a qualified electrician is highly recommended to assess the situation and determine the most appropriate course of action. A professional electrician can evaluate the existing layout, identify any code violations, and offer solutions to address them. Thirdly, if rewiring becomes necessary, it is important to collaborate with the audio-visual wiring specialist to evaluate the feasibility and cost associated with moving the racks to a compliant location. This collaborative approach helps ensure that the relocation is executed efficiently and without disrupting other systems. Additionally, consider reaching out to the electrical inspector for clarification and to ensure compliance during the final inspection. Early communication with the inspector can help identify potential issues proactively and facilitate a smoother inspection process. The 3-foot separation requirement is intended to minimize electrical interference and prevent potential hazards. Electrical interference can disrupt the performance of sensitive electronic equipment, while inadequate separation can increase the risk of electrical shock or fire. If relocating the racks to meet the separation distance is not feasible, installing electromagnetic interference, often referred to as EMI shielding or other protective measures, may be an option to mitigate potential issues. EMI shielding can help block or reduce the electromagnetic radiation, minimizing its impact on nearby equipment. Prioritizing safety and compliance with all applicable codes and regulations is of paramount importance to avoid potential liabilities and ensure the long-term reliability of the facility. Compliance with the NEC not only ensures the safety of occupants and equipment, but also prevents legal and financial repercussions associated with code violations. If questions arise regarding the interpretation or application of electrical codes, seeking guidance from qualified professionals, such as electrical engineers or certified electrical inspectors, is essential. These experts possess the knowledge and experience to provide accurate interpretations and ensure compliance with relevant standards. Electrical codes are subject to updates and revisions, so staying informed about the latest changes is crucial for maintaining compliance and ensuring safety. Subscribing to industry publications, attending seminars, and participating in professional development activities can help electrical professionals and facility managers stay abreast of the most current regulations. Compliance with electrical codes is not only a legal requirement but also a fundamental aspect of responsible electrical design and installation. By adhering to established standards and best practices, engineers, electricians, and facility managers can ensure the safety, reliability, and efficiency of electrical systems. Electrical inspections play a vital role in verifying compliance with electrical codes and identifying potential hazards. During an inspection, a qualified electrical inspector examines the electrical system to ensure that it meets the requirements of the NEC and other applicable regulations. Any deficiencies or violations detected during the inspection must be addressed promptly to ensure compliance and mitigate safety risks. Regular electrical inspections are recommended to identify potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Proactive maintenance and inspections can help prevent electrical fires, equipment failures, and other hazards. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility that involves all stakeholders, including engineers, electricians, facility managers, and occupants. By working together to promote electrical safety awareness and implement best practices, we can create safer environments for everyone.